If we didn't know any better, the recent barrage of rumors and speculation about Samsung's next big thing could provide us believe that the Galaxy S24 lineup is just around the corner. But of course, we are aware of the risks involved in making such a claim, so we won't be anticipating the allegedly fantastic successors to the Galaxy S23 lineup until 2024. A fresh unpacked event remains at least 5 months away, giving Samsung plenty of time to review and re-evaluate its present plans for the Galaxy S24 series in terms of everything from hectic schedules to various specs and features. As we already know, it's no big secret that Samsung makes the outdated screens used on both its own brand flagships and those of Apple's high-end iPhones. However, not all panels are built the same, and the iPhone 15 family is almost certainly going to use the most upscale and cutting-edge handset displays currently on the market. A bigger number is always better than an inferior one in the mobile industry, so it's expected to improve overall quality and possibly decrease the thickness of the M12 screens, which are expected to benefit devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Galaxy S24 lineup might take matters to the next level after just a few weeks with cutting-edge new M13 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to set a new benchmark for display performance until Apple allows for Samsung's 13th generation MLA Panel 2, which will only be available for the iPhone 16 series, which is expected to launch in the autumn of 2024. Surprisingly, the S24 and S24 Plus may even be able to rival that honor with their larger brother. The three models will still differ in terms of screen resolution depending on the volume of mass production, but theoretically the entire Galaxy S24 family might outperform the entire iPhone 15 cast in terms of overall display quality. The entry-level Galaxy S24, which is the vanilla S24 mind you, is also ticked to pack 12 gigs of RAM and offer 256 gigs of internal storage space. As a result, the local digital storage space of the cheapest Galaxy S23 model would be doubled, while the memory count of all storage variants would be increased by a very significant 4 gigs. If that occurs, it should be assumed that the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra will come with 12 GB of RAM, with a latter device presumably going all the way up to 16 GB of the good stuff in a top-of-the-line variation that may give 1 TB of internal storage capacity. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.